Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Our next few projects are going to be using random module in Python. Yes friend, we are going to take a look at few methods, few tricks. Alright, so the first one, dice roller simulator. So as you know, dice are numbered from 1 to 6. So let's create one. Okay. So the thing is, let's create a function. So def dice underscore roller. And before that, we are going to import the random module, which is built-in Python module. Next, here let's create a variable, say number or num equals random dot randint. All right, and here it takes two parameters. One, see here, it random integer in range a b including both endpoints. So we can write here 1, 6, okay, including these two. So it will generate a number, an integer number between 1 to 6 inclusive. All right. And next we are going to return num. That's it. Okay. Now here we are going to roll it, say, we are going to simply call it. So let's print using f string you rolled. We can call this function dice roller. Okay, you rolled, like this. So let's save it, and here Python 16, you rolled 4. You rolled 2. So this is a dice roller simulator. You can spice it up as your choice, but this is an example of using random module, or you can say random library, which is built in Python, and here we have used randint function. All right guys, so see you in our next project, where we are going to take a look another example of random. Okay, so see you. Till then, have fun. Take care.